Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? You guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, let's see what we got going on. Hey, dope, dope, dope. There's a lot of news this morning. So we have at 10:30 USD news. So, let's see here. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys how, essentially Gold Cup works. So you guys are going to see essentially, for instance, yesterday we had a signal yesterday before the announcement in the beta testing, right? You're going to have a candle where it says sell, or it's going to have the arrow pointing to the candle. It's going to say sell, buy, or one of the two, right? And then you're going to have a vertical line on the candle you're going to enter off of. Alright, so for instance, on this one, right, you would enter right here, right? So the notification will go off. We're working on getting text and email, right? Text and email. So for on the gold side, right, you would sell right here, enter. You could close out all the way down here, hold it for a little bit. Obviously, it comes all the way down here. Any questions on how that works, right, on this part? Yeah, they're working out the kinks. Use your computer for right now. Let's see here. Yeah, use your computer definitely for Gold Cup. Yeah, so let me go over it again. Right, so the notification is going to come, right, and then you're going to have yours. So say this is completely live, right? Boom. This is the candle we're on, right? Boom. The candle appears. Candle closes. You're going to get a notification. It's going to single out the candle you're going to enter off of, right? For instance, here, you're going to enter off the vertical line, right? As you see the vertical line here, it's going to single out this candle. There's going to be an arrow on the candle, and it's going to say sell or buy. So for instance, for some reason, it would be this candle, right? You would have an arrow pointing up on this candle, right? You have an arrow pointing up. It would single out this candle and it would say buy. So you would enter right here where the candle closes and you would buy it all the way up here. Does that make sense? Yeah, they're still working on the kinks. Definitely use the laptop for right now. What happened was they didn't expect so many users to be using Forex or using the app, so that's why kind of a lot of technical issues. Should we enter on the second candle it starts forming? Yes. Once the candle closes, that is singled out, right? Yeah, so few examples here. So one for take profit, stop loss, right? We're gonna have a couple of courses with it, but you're going zone to zone. On the 15-minute chart, 15-minute, we're doing about 15 to 20 pips. $30-minute, we're doing about 20 to 30 pips. Hour, doing about 30 to 40 pips. Where's it? There we go. Jeez. All right. So that is your kind of pip goal. Like I said, we're going to have a few strategies with it and teach you a little bit with the scanner. I'm not sure on why JFX is. Yes, correct. Does anybody have any questions over the take profit stop loss? Yeah, so stop losses, right? Let's go back here. So you're gonna have a 15-minute, 20 pip stop loss, right? On the 30-minute, about a 30 pip stop loss. So essentially, for example, let's see here. Say we're doing right here, right? And for some reason we buy right here. The scanner goes off, we buy it right here, right? We would go down here to about 30 pips. Our stop loss would be roughly right here, about 30 pips. Our take profit, right? Say the scanner goes off, like I said. We're going to be zone to zone. So your take profit would be roughly right there. Like I said, we're going to have a few courses. I'm going to be doing a lot more trainings and so forth as well. So yeah, with my setups, I always do 1-to-1. Granted that 1-to-1 sometimes goes like 3-to-1 because the position continues to go. But at the initial, I just do 1-to-1. Keep it super simple, super easy. Yeah, on the teacup, I mean the setup has to be Abdul. The setup has to be there. So if it's only showing GU, then I mean that's the only setup that's going on. Yes, we are working on text and email alerts. So essentially, you don't have to be on your computer. You get the notification to your phone. Oh, there's a signal. Boom. Log in. There we go. Create wealth. Yes. We'll be going over that in the next coming days and weeks. I'm looking for a setup right now, Mr. Underrated. Um, I don't see anything right yet. So usually the setup, everyone have this down. Please write this down or take a screenshot. Alright. I want to kind of make this a lot of question and answer. There's no setups yet. Through Pip Talk and Gold Rush, I will definitely keep you guys updated. It looks like there might be a setup. There's 1030 news, right? So go to forexfactory.com. All right. Oh shoot. What just happened? I refreshed. Can you guys see? All right, cool, cool. So let's see here. I'm trying to answer some questions real quick. Could you show the screenshot? So for instance, I want to kind of go over this again. Just understanding on where you would be entering when the signal comes out, when the trade alert comes out, right? So right here, right, you'd get the notification to your cell phone. Like I said, it's gonna be through text and or email, right? You're gonna get notifications to your phone when to enter, right? So here you get the notification to your phone, boom, right? It's going to have the candle that it singles out with a vertical line, right? It's going to have an arrow pointing to which candle to enter on once the candle closes, and it's going to say sell or buy, right? So you would sell it right here where the candle closes, right? Price goes down, down, boom, comes up a little bit, right? You take profit right down here. If you wanted to hold it, it comes back up, plays around, boom, boom, and then it finally comes all the way down. All right. Any questions over the example? Shoot. I say we're gonna have tons and tons of trainings on this, so. Which broker do I recommend? Overall, Hugo's Way is pretty good. LQDFX, I have them as well. FX Choice is a good broker. Yeah, so they're working on it. Yeah, I'll post everything through Pip Talk, my Telegram, etc. Use that. I don't really know too. I mean, I know how the teacup works, but I don't really trade it so much. Um, so yeah. Yeah, FinPro, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go over a little psychology. We got about 8 minutes left. I'm gonna keep you guys updated for the live trades through Pip Talk and my Telegram. So there's no setup right yet, but I'm definitely looking for one. I just don't see anything yet that I'm liking. Plus we have news, so I'm gonna show you where I go for news. All right, we're gonna go to Forex Factory.com. This is important, guys. So I always look at news, right? See what's going on in the market, etc. So right here, right, we have news at 10:30, right? So I'm very hesitant on trading this morning because I don't trade during news, right? News is very jacks price up, right? FOMC at 2:30 as well. So have that in mind. Forexfactory.com. I'll type it in here as well. How do I trade news? Good question. I don't. I stay away. Yeah, we're like I said, it's in beta testing, so we're getting all the kinks out. Just have patience. We got it released. We're working on every little thing. Lachey is coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. The alerts will start coming out. So I'm gonna go over really quickly a trading plan. Alright, so a trading plan is very key, right? When you're trading, right? So one, you want to have a pip goal. Let's go for here. Pair. What pair are you trading? All right. The pair is very, very key. You know, are you trading GJ? Are you trading GU? Are you trading gold? Are you trading UJ, etc.? Right. And the time frame you're trading it is going to correlate with each other. You know, what time are you trading? Are you trading New York? Are you trading London? Are you trading Tokyo, etc.? Right. So you want to have a game plan to your trades. Right. You want to have a game plan to your trades with a pip goal. All right, what is your pip goal? So your pair is very important to understand. You know, GJ, GU, you know, gold, UJ, whatever pair. These two are going to coincide with each other. Why? Because the time you trade, right, is probably going to have to do with your pair. Because if you're trading GJ, you're probably trading London. If you're trading GU, probably trading London. You're trading, you know, I don't know, gold. You're probably trading New York, right? That's when the time the pair is the most active. Any questions over a trading plan? Very key, very easy. Will you be updating us through iMarkets Live official Telegram? I'll be updating you guys through Pip Talk and my Telegram. Notifications will start coming. Luke, I just finished the education part and technical analysis. My friend suggested skill in this session. Yeah, so Ish Farkazi, go to Adeze Duncan. I think it's like Forex Basics or Forex 101. Adeze Duncan. And then also Joshua Walls, same thing. It's either Forex 101 or it's Forex Basics. Yeah, gold is best during New York. Yeah. Correct. So these three are the very, very key to your foundation, right? You want to create one, no matter what. Obviously, if you're taking alerts from myself, Kevin, Lizaldo, Chris, Derek, whoever, right? You want to have a pair, right? So pick one or two pairs, right? And trade only one of those two pairs. Pick a time you trade. So for instance, I trade from 7:30 to 11. Right? That's my time frame I trade. Right? My pip goal is 50 pips per day. I shoot for 50. Right? I get in, get out, move on with my day. Right? Does that make sense? Any questions? Gold Rush. That's my Telegram. Favorite pairs, Gold and UJ. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing another Zoom later on today. I don't see a setup yet. Alright, but I'm going to be updating you guys through Pip Talk. And I'm going to be doing a Zoom probably later today as well. Oh, shoot. Understanding different things. Alrighty guys, any last questions? Okay, so we're going to do one. I'll post in my Telegram when the Zoom is, so we can get a little bit more clarity on everything. Like I said, we're still working out the kinks. Right, there's a few glitches and so forth as well. So just have patience with us. How many per week? I would say 3 to 5 per week. Basically, I trade the same time, same pair, same setup every day. Right, but the thing is, if there's news like today, right, we just went to forexfactory.com, right? And there's news at 10:30, so you might be staying away from that, right? Alrighty, guys, stay posted for um, the Zoom later on today. I'll be posting in the Telegrams and such. That way, you can definitely hop on. I'm gonna go over a little bit different stuff. The scanner isn't. Some people aren't be able to use the scanner yet, so there's a lot of kinks. So yeah, Pip Talks, you should be able to log in and get it handled through Pip Talk as well. You can log in there. Alright, guys, I appreciate your time and we'll chat soon. Alright?